Hello kids, Princy here. Today I will teach you how to draw Peppa Pig and she's getting new dress. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I'm going to draw Peppa's face. Now I am drawing her nose. It's time to draw her ears. Now I am drawing small circles for her eyes. Now I'm drawing her cheeks and her mouth. Now I am using brush marker for enhancing Peppa's eyes. Great! Now I am drawing Peppa's body. Great! Now I am drawing her hands. Now I am drawing her tail and her legs. It's time to draw Peppa's shoes. Great! Now I am drawing a beautiful dress for Peppa. Great job kids! Our dress is ready. Now I am drawing the hanger for the dress. Now I am drawing one pole. And now I am drawing some more dresses. Peppa is in shopping mall. Now I am drawing wall of the mall. Great kids, our picture is ready. Now I am going to color the picture. For Peppa's face, I am using light pink color. Draw with me kids. Peppa is surprised and mesmerized by the beautiful dress. Great! Now I am using dark pink color for her cheeks and her mouth. Now I am using brown color for her shoes. Great job kids! Now for our beautiful dress I am using yellow color. You can choose your favorite color for your dress. Now I am using red color. Now I am using same color for second dress. And now I am adding some sky blue color. Great! For our t-shirt I am going to use orange color. For our hanger, I am using brown color. Great kids, our picture is ready. Now I am going to decorate the wall with the help of green color. floor with the help of purple color. Great kids, our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.